Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Rachel's Empire. Really appreciate the love that you've been showing me so far. Today I will be unboxing 3 items that I got through Amazon, 3 kitchen appliances, which is why I'm in my kitchen right now. So let's go into it. Unboxing! So yes, I can't come fast up in my business, but that's fine. I'll share with y'all 3 items I bought on Amazon. I got them on really good deals and I want to share them with you. Alright, so this is going to be the first one. I'm going to open. To be honest, I already took a sneak peek inside because I'm in Jamaica and you know I go through freight forward, so I just wanted to check that everything was in there, but I have not opened the manufacturing box. Alright, so this is a 3-in-1 sandwich maker that I bought. And I honestly would say that I got it at a deal. So it comes with the warranty card and a manual. And this is the plate. So I have the grill plate, the 2 parts, and then I have, this is the sandwich plate, so 2 parts. Alright, and then the maker itself. The waffles. Okay, so you have the button to release and replace. I guess this is why you should read the manual, right? Okay. But that's it. I got this for like $30-something, but I like it. I'm able to make 4 sandwiches, or 2 sandwiches. So I like it. I'm able to make 2 sandwiches at a time, 2 waffles at a time, and to grill. And it's really just me and my mom for the most part. Alright, so the next one we'll be opening today is my rice cooker. And I was disappointed in the way this was shipped because I selected it for it to be in a Amazon box and it was shipped in the manufacturer's box. The main reason is I wanted to keep it in the box, and the fact that it came in the manufacturer box, it's all dirty and bent and dent and written on, and I did not appreciate that at all. But we are gonna go ahead and check what's in there. Okay. Bigger than I thought it would have been. Definitely bigger. Quick rice, white rice, brown rice, oatmeal, chili, pasta, soup, stew, slow cook, steam, and our favorite DIYs. This is one of the items I know I'm gonna be using a lot. I'm definitely gonna be using this a lot. And one of the first things I want to make in this is a cheesecake. I'm really excited to make a cheesecake in this. And you can let me know in the comments what you want to see me making this. So for the inside, we got a small measuring cup. Yep. We also got these. So you have the measurement on the outside and you also have it on the inside. So add rice first, waterline. The inside. What's the inside? But I was really excited to get this. I've been wanting this for like the longest while. So it's not dirty if it's this marked, it's really from this thing on top. So it just needs to be wiped off. I also got a manual. Wonder if it has like any recipes or so. Sadly it doesn't. But it's always good to have one of these. Guys, can you believe that I just unboxed the box and did not video it? Whatever. So I have everything already out because I already unboxed. Silly me. So I'm just going to show them to you. I got 3 pounds. So 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. And I was showing you the sizes. And there are 3 different sizes. Okay, so I got 3 different sizes. I also got 3 covers. 1, 2, and 3. 3 different covers. And I also got a bigger pot. So it's bigger than these. See the size difference? Bigger. But this shares cover with the biggest pot. So just to confirm, we have this, and this with 3 covers. This and this shares covers, right? We also have the knives and the scissors. So the knives and the scissors, they're here. So it's 5 knives and 1 scissors. We also got 4 knives, 5 forks, and 4 spoons. So like if you move, this will be an easy starter kit, and let me tell you, $30 or less. Easy starter kit. And I also got all of these here. So I got this, and these. And an additional item that I did not know I was going to get based on the description, it said I wasn't going to get it, so I'm really appreciative that I got the block. It's a bit small, but I'm happy I got it. So you can cook your meat, cook your rice, make some vegetable, boil some tea, you have your fork, you have knife, you have spoon, and not for yourself alone. If you have visitors that come over, you have enough to share. You have your scissors to cut your fish tail and all of that, your knife to cut up your meat, chicken, fish, goat, oxtail, all of that. Yes. So yeah, I think it's a pretty good kit. They're fairly small, they're not large, but for me, which would be cooking for 2 or so, you don't really need nothing big. So we've gone through all 3 of the items. We went through the Instant Pot, we went through the 3-in-1. So waffle maker, sandwich maker, and the grill. And we also went through the rice cooker. And like I said, guys, them cost me less than $30 each, or $30 thereabout. So less than $100, less than 10 grand. Give me all of them here. And I would like to share about the shipping company as well, because I shipped over 30 odd pounds and it cost me less than 8,500 Jamaican dollar. Yes, so I'm going to share that with you too, so you can look out for that video there. For all things that I really wanted to get, I really wanted to get them. I wanted to get them for a good while now. However, to ship these things to Jamaica would have cost me a fortune. So I found a shipping company. I think they have 3 different locations, and one is in Mandeville, where I'm from. And they are pretty reasonable. I bought these things. I wanted to see if they were true to cost, if they changed anything on me, and they did not. So I'm telling you about them. I don't know if they will keep it up, but so far so good. And I will be doing a whole vlog on them, so you can know what to expect, what are the terms and conditions of shipping with them, their names, their link. I'll be sharing all of what else am I supposed to tell you now? Of course, there will be more unboxing, but I split them in categories because I have kitchen stuff, I have other stuff. So split them in categories so the video not too long. So look out for that too. So there's a lot of things to look out for. I have a lot of plans, and I've been getting you guys feedback, and I like it. Keep them coming. Keep them coming, definitely. Yeah.